So welcome everybody, this is Alfred and I'm Anmol Sharma. Today we are going to see about random module in Python. First we are going to start idle. It might take some time. My PC is slow. So first we are going to import random as array d. Now for we are going to see um, some of the functions in random as rand. For example, randint, then choice, choice, shuffle, and that's it. So we are going to see these three functions one by one. So today we are going to see randint. For example, if we want to make a small program to choose a number, for example, in a there is a 6 number, and we want to choose. We are given a choice to choose any one number from 1 to 6. If we guess the right number, then we are winner, and if we guess the wrong number, then we are loser. So today we are going to use random to prepare such a game. So so first of all we are going to import random as rad. So we are going to take a number n is equals to input, and we are going to convert the number into integer, enter a number. There is also necessity of raising a try and exception, but we have not seen yet. So for now, we are going to just add this button. So we are going to we are guess GUES. This is our guess, and our number is equals to random rand int comma 6. So this is going to give me a number between 1 and 6 if. So we are going to check if GOESS is equals to a number, then print congrats, you have guessed a right number. Else print sorry, wrong number, try again later. So that's it, and we are going to now test it. Control S, desktop, guessing underscore game F guessed 6. Sorry for that, I just right. So if we're getting 6, so I just want to print the number. Number the so I just want that the number should be printed, which is the number is